Alright guys, what's up? Been a minute, but today I'm gonna install these. I guess this is what they look like. Hold up, no, I turned it off, never mind. But yeah, we're gonna get into this. We're gonna put it on below my passenger seat glove box and below my steering wheel. Alright guys, so here I'm just unboxing it. Pretty simple stuff, you know, regular unboxing, getting it out of the package and all that. Alright, so I just took it out the box. These are the LEDs, they're looking cool. This is the control panel, that's looking cool. And I'm gonna plug it up in my car through the cigarette lighter. Push on and off button right here. Alright guys, so what's cool about these LEDs is you can connect them through here, so you could buy more of these, and of course there's that Walmart's where I got these, and you can just keep on connecting them, make one big strip. Maybe that'll look dope in the back, I don't know, but let's go. Sorry, first off, I apologize, it's dirty. Alright, you're gonna want to take out your bottom panel. You want to take this out, which is pretty simple. I can probably do it one-handed. Yep, I can do it one-handed. And you're gonna want to run your LED that you're gonna put on the passenger side of your car, and you're gonna want to run it through here. And of course, you're going to take out the panel on the passenger side. I'll show you real quick. Okay, so I'm on the passenger side now, and I'm gonna take out this panel, and I'm gonna run the LED through here. This is gonna be up there, and we can wire this all through here to make it where it's a no-show. Put that there, and so I'm gonna want to take this outside LED, and I'm gonna run it through here. I'm trying to get you to see this. Pretty simple. Just try to put it all the way through. Grab it through here. You don't want to pull it through. Alright, so you got it through here, and now what you're going to want to do is you want to figure a spot out on the bottom. Usually there's a good little edge right here to put it on, and you're going to want to rip off this 3M tape and put it on right there, and you'll be done. Alright, so I got it through and taped to the top through there, and then we're going to do the driver's side. Hold on, I forgot one step. So you're going to want to take your panel, and you're going to want to put it right back into its slot. Pop it back in, and that wire should just go right over top of it, and it'll just, looks pretty clean from the top. You can't even notice it. And I'm gonna repeat that same step over here. This is gonna be tricky. I'm gonna have to put it right along here, but the problem is it's curved right here, so it's gonna make the 3M tape not stick as well, which is gonna suck, but I'll figure it out. Okay, so I have it all up in there. It's stuck on, and now we're gonna want to put this last panel on, and it's falling down, but I think we'll be fine once we clip it back on and it's supported off the top panel. All right, so after some difficulty, I got up all on there. Clean again from the top. Can't see. It's gonna look good. All right, so the bottom part here, we got this showing, and we can tuck that in. I might honestly just leave that there because it's not gonna be fiddling with it much, but we want this tucked in, which we can do this wire under the board or under the panel, which is not hard. Just take it, and you can just, as simple as it sounds, just get it under there. Start the car up and see if they work. Turn this on. Turn this off so I don't get. Alright, that looks good. It looked way better at night. It's still bright though. I like it. In the panel, I just put it right here. Of course, you do have this pad. So what you could really do is you could just get it and stick it right here. But I don't know, I have a bunch of curves in here, and it's just not going to stay there as well, and I'm fine with that. So you got all these different buttons and panels of different colors. Red, I'll show you here, red, green, blue, all kinds of different colors. Brightness, all that stuff. You can turn it off there and just leave that on, We can just turn the whole thing off. Yeah, it's solid. I like it. Turned out pretty good and I'm happy. I'll show you a later view of what it looks like. So this is the final result. I really like it. I think it looks really good with the car. So yeah, thumbs up for me, boss.